Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Oz from Ozzy Awesome. This video is inspired by my friend KG79, who always does reviews on his channel. Now I'm really hesitant to do reviews because I don't really know what to say about the product. If I like it, I use it, that's about it. I'm trying to be an online creator, a digital marketer, so I thought reviewing the products that I use would be a good option as well. So if you want to see a list of the stuff that I use to make my videos, you can see it in the information section below. And today I'm going to start with the product I just bought. I just got it, I haven't even opened it yet. This is a desktop ring light tripod kind of thing. It's kind of a phone holder and light at the same time. I'll put the Amazon link in the information section below. It's supposed to be the all-in-one solution for creators, streamers, people doing Zoom calls for work or business or for school. So pretty much for everyone who uses a computer and a camera. And what I liked about it, besides just being kind of like a tripod and like a ring light, is the way it's kind of set up so that you can adjust it so it can be used for a whole bunch of things like cooking or jewelry making or drawing or stuff like that. I'll show you what I mean when I open it up. So first of all, let's open up the box and let's set it up.
Box on the table is calling my name. Easy instructions, not a puzzle game. Twist and click, snap it tight. Building my future in a halo of light. Warm glow, whispers like a summer breeze. Cool, light sharp like icy seas. White beam, clean like a blank new page. Glow up with my ring light. 3 moons shining in my sight. Adjust the arms, tilt the world. In this glow, my dreams unfurl. Glow up with my ring light. 3 moons shining in my sight. Adjust the arms, tilt the world. In this glow, my dreams unfurl. Angles bending smooth and free. Perfectly framed like it's meant to be. No shadows, no doubts, just clarity. A tripod built for infinity. Yeah, warm like a hug, cool like the night, white like the truth, always just right. Glow up with my ring light. 3 moons shining in my sight. Adjust the arms, tilt the world. In this glow, my dreams unfurl. Glow up with my ring light. 3 moons shining in my sight. Adjust the arms, tilt the world. In this glow, my dreams unfurl.
So one thing is something like this is not included. You need something that has a USB to go into the wall, which is not included. So I had to use one of my own. Okay, so here it is. I attached it. The cord is a little, actually it's not that bad. It's pretty long. And then the cord has the remote here to turn it on. So, whoa, there we go. So there's a plus and minus, kind of to lower it. And then this is the brightest. This is white. I guess this is cool. This is warm. It's pretty good. And then look at, you can brighten it all the way or lower it. This is my phone. It's a pretty big phone actually. It's one of the bigger ones. It's my older phone. I used to use this in Japan. This is the flip phone I have. That's what I usually use. So it's almost the same size. But yeah, you can put it here. So technically you could do it this way, or you can turn it this way if you want to do it that angle. Oh. You can film this way, or if you're doing TikTok or Instagram, whatever, this way. So that's cool. Or, so actually I wanted to show you that this can actually go higher as well. So you can actually make it as high as this. I think this is the highest it goes. So this is the highest setting. And then you can adjust this if you want to go lower down for the lighting. or if you want it higher up, so you could adjust that. So that's pretty good. So it's very adjustable. I like that. And this is kind of movable. That's good. And then this arm here is the thing that I liked about it the most. I think this is the one. This is the reason why I went with this one. This arm here can also extend pretty long. Actually, I don't know if you can see it on camera. This arm is, first of all, it can go longer as well. It can go all the way up to here. Once you tighten it, you can put it this way, or you can move it this way, whichever you feel like. And then what I like about it is you can make the arm go up like that. Tighten it. It can go in more or out, so that's good. You can use this, like I was saying, to film at different angles here. But let's say you wanted to film straight up, or sorry, straight down, because you're doing something. If you're drawing or doing cooking or something, people want to show the bottom. It does have a way that you can go straight down. So that way you could film this way or this way. It's 360, so you can film any way you want. There's different pulleys all over the place, so it kind of takes time to get used to finding out which way it goes where. But yeah, as long as you tighten it, it's pretty good. The good thing is the bottom is very heavy, so it's pretty sturdy. And then you can move things around, so I like this. I think this is a very good item for the price. So the name of the company is called ATKTTOP, ATKTOP. I don't know, it's from Amazon. But it's actually a 10.5 inch ring. There's a desk stand, like I said. When I got it, it shows that it was $52, but then I got it has a 10% coupon, so you get that off. Plus, I had $10 of points for Amazon cards. If you watch my last video, you'll know that I get money, online income, I guess side hustle, doing like receipt uploads and stuff like that. Through that, I get like Amazon cards. So I had $10 worth of cards, so I use that on top of this. So after the $10 discount plus the 10% off, it was pretty cheap. It was like 30 bucks, so not bad. And I think it's really good if you're going to be at a computer, and if you're going to be talking on the computer and you want good lighting for yourself. If you're working or in school and you're having Zoom meetings, it looks good. Also, if you are doing TikTok on Instagram and you need to like do makeup tutorials or that kind of stuff, the lighting is pretty good. I'm actually using the lighting right now. It's on right now. I haven't figured out exactly which angle or where to put it yet, but it's just on while I was showing you guys how it works. So that's why it looks like that. But yeah, I think it was definitely worth it. I guess the only bad thing about it is, or not really bad, but inconvenient thing about it is it doesn't come with the actual block that plugs into the USB that goes into the wall. So it would be nice if they had that as well. I guess there's no colors, so some people like different colors, so it's only those three colors. It's white and warm, or whatever the three different colors were. There's not a lot of color choices, but it does go dimmer and brighter, so that's pretty good. It's not a very high one like I was mentioning before, so if you're looking for something that's gonna be good for when you're standing or something, unless you could put it on your table, so it'd be fine. So, but it's pretty sturdy. It's metal. It's heavy. The bottom is heavy, so it's not gonna wobble. It doesn't wobble as long as you tighten everything. As long as you make sure everything's tight, it looks like it's pretty stable and pretty sturdy. The wire is longer than I thought it would be, so it's pretty good. And I'm pretty happy with it. I will start using this from my upcoming videos on, and hopefully you guys will notice a difference in the quality in my video. And if you guys do want to check out the light and see for yourself the Amazon page, I'll leave it in the information section below. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, and see you next time. Take care. Peace.
Glow up, glow up.